A total of 343 voters from 191 families from BJP and CPIM joined the Tipra Motha at Megliban Chabagan Village under Shimna Constituent Assembly on Tuesday. The MLA of Shimna Constituency Bishuketu Debarma and newly elected EM of ADC Rabindra Debarma welcomed them with a party flag. The BJP, Tipra Motha, CPIM and Congress are taking strong initiative for the coming Lok Sabha election of 2024. For that purpose, lots of gathering, discussion program and party joining events were happening every day around the state. A total of 343 voters from 191 families from BJP and CPIM joined the Tipra Motha at Megliban Chabagan Village under Shimna Constituent Assembly on Tuesday. The MLA of Shimna Constituency, Bishuketu Debarma, and newly elected EM of ADC, Rabindra Debarma, welcomed them with their party flag. The President of Shimna Block, Nirman Debarma, TCA President of Shimna Constituent Assembly, Dipu Nandi, and other officials.
Kaisa joining program Chini Bubagrani Hansani Mario or Amsadi Lukuro, Sumai Baksa, Hinani Bagia, Yaprisha Paika, Aro Exo Econo Family Ni, Pincho, Chotrish, Catalyst Booters, Sumai Pai, or joint Clapica, Hainai Shalo, Tebo, Omahake joining program Bagi, Ready Klazak, Hinner of Mozumdar, TCFD, or member, Omahinachini, Simna TCF ni. সভাপতি বতিনি ওর ভাই সকলে যিনি দীপু নন্দী ফাইনাল সালো অব চিনি সিমনা আমচাই পাঁচটা যে গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত ও গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত টিপ্রা মথা নিংনা থাকি দङ আবনি বাগै যত তিনি ফাইনাল চিন বুবাগ্রানি লগে ফাইনাল লুকুরক ও 151 ফ্যামিলিনি 343 ভোটার্সনি বড় লুকুরক খাবাই খুবাই চিন টিপ্রা মথা বুবাগ্রানি তরফ হইতে সিং লামসং হামবাই
The MLA Bishuketu Debarma stated about the coming Lok Sabha election that the BJP and CPIM will score about 2,000 to 3,000 votes in the Shimna constituency. Reported by Animes from Shimna, Chini Khorang.